Zach has the hiccups. I'm not sure what he's reaching for because he just ate. This is the second time today Zach has the hiccups. Oh.